Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and today is another Mystery Box Monday, which is one of my favorite days, and we are opening a clown car of yarn. That's right, we've got a 10-pound Kraemer yarn mystery box and I cannot wait to open it. It's always so much fun. In fact, I think that the Kraemer mystery boxes are my favorite mystery boxes, but don't tell that to any other mystery boxes, okay guys? Before I begin, I want to thank 2 subscribers who donated to the channel. I really appreciate it, Jess and I think it's Lana. It could be Lana or Lena though, but thank you guys so much for donating to the channel. All donations go back to giveaways and helping me finance the materials I need to make the items that I sell on my Etsy store. And everything you need to know about me is going to be in the description. I don't want to waste any of your time, so we are going to open this mystery box. So Kraemer Yarns is a small, I guess, yarn store. It's based out of Pennsylvania and they mill their own yarns, and I know that they mill all their yarns for their store. We've got Baby here. He's still not over being able to host the channel yesterday, so of course he's really excited about this. He also probably smells all of the goody yumminess because Kraemer yarn, they mill wool, and so he gets to smell all of those animal smells, which he especially loves. He loves all yarn, but especially those animal smells. But anyway, they mill their own yarn. I don't know if they mill for other companies, but they have some really nice yarn in their store, and every so often they've got mystery boxes. Now I don't really know how to tell you guys how to get your hands on it other than stalking their site, but I can say that if you follow their Facebook group, they do post on their Facebook group. You're liking Mummy's face. They do post on their Facebook group when they have their mystery boxes in. So I would say either keep a tab open at all times and just refresh it whenever you feel like it, and eventually you'll get one of these, or follow their Facebook page, or if you're like me, go ahead and do both. Because you will get them if you're just really persistent like that, okay? That said, Baby's going to have to give me back the screen so that I can open this mystery box. So now, so the 10-pound box generally come with about 48 skeins of yarn. So I'm assuming that's what I've got. But the first thing that I've got is this. Oh, it smells like wool. I can guess what this is, but I can't be certain. I'm gonna guess that this is wool. It could be like a wool acrylic blend, but I think it's wool. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have 6 skeins of this, and this does not look like it's dyed anything. It's not dyed white. In fact, I can raise my hand and get in this one here to compare. See, this one I believe is actually dyed white, but this one I believe is undyed. Now, regardless of whether or not it's dyed or not, these I'm going to use to dye, and I will make a video dyeing yarn one of these days. But I have a whole bunch of undyed yarn that I've gotten from previous Kraemer boxes, and I'm definitely going to dye them sometime on the channel for you guys. Just haven't done it yet. But I have got 6 of these, which is great. I really love that. I love that they're undyed. Sometimes I even like making things with undyed yarn. It's just a thing. So I'm gonna move these here so I can get out this one that I've already showed you. Now this has got such a beautiful halo around it. It also has that beautiful animal smell to it, and it's mohair. All right, and oh, it smells so good. Okay, now I can't tell you exactly what it's composed of, but I do believe that it's got at least some mohair in it. It is just a beautiful like lace weight mohair, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 skeins of that, and I am very happy about this. What I was going to do was combine this with some yarn, because I already have some, but I'm glad that I got some more, because I was going to use this to combine it with some yarn and make because I'm working on a cloak right now, and I was going to make the fuzzy thing right around the the head of the cape. What's it called? Of the hood. That's it. And I was going to put, I wanted it to be a little fuzzy, but I didn't want to go like overboard and like put pom-poms all around it, right? So I thought that this would just give that just little bit of fur feeling for around that. And I thought that it would look really tasteful with the cape that I'm making right now. And yes, I'm writing down everything and how to make it and all of that. It's my own design, but I will also put that on the channel when I've got a good template down and I know that it works out right. Okay, moving on. Let's see if we can just talk about the yarn. So this feels like it could be a cotton acrylic blend or maybe cotton, not certain, but it is navy blue. Those jewel tones look real good with my skin. And I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those as well. So I'm doing really, really well. And I just want to show you that whatever this is made out of, it's made out of something different from this, okay? I had said that this feels like a wool blend, or at least wool maybe. This feels like it could be a cotton blend, and you can tell that the skeins are very different. So it's definitely a different composition. Okay, so this is made out of the same stuff, and it is this beautiful olive green, which also I think looks good with my skin. It's a little bit more of an autumnal color, but I always like getting these Kraemer boxes because they always have colors that look good against my skin. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those, and whatever the content of this is, it's either similar or the same as this. Okay, so I've got that here, and it looks like I have some more mohair, but it's in a different color. It's in this light blue, but I have to say it's kind of almost a marbled color in that it's not a solid blue. It's like blue and white, but it looks like it's a solid blue, but it's actually blue and white in here. And I have got 6 of these. Okay, so here's 3, 4, 5, 6, and let's go ahead and compare this to the white. Obviously those would look really pretty together, but they both have that beautiful halo. I cannot tell you how soft this is. I just can't. It is so soft. There's just something really special about this yarn. Love it. I am definitely going to be doing something with this. And I do have to say that Bag O'Day on her channel has a blanket, and it combines yarn like this and then yarn that's this material, only it's a lighter blue, and it's called New Kid on the Block blanket. It's a really cool pattern, and it uses Kraemer yarn. Obviously you can use Kraemer yarn for any project you want, but I just wanted to give a nod to that because I haven't made a Kraemer yarn pattern yet, so I wanted to go ahead and give you a good one. So here is another one, and it's also got that kind of marled look. I don't know what the right word for that is. It's not tweed though. It's just this kind of, it's not like solid blue. It looks like a blue jeans. It looks like denim. And I really, really like this one. I have one that's very similar from a previous box. And with these, I have enough to definitely make a blanket out of if I want to. But I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. And whatever this is, it feels very, very similar. I can't say it's the same. It feels similar to this, although now that I'm feeling this, this feels more natural, and this feels like it could be an acrylic blend. So just wanted to mention that. Okay, so we have got, it looks like we've got 12 more. So we have 6 of this, which is a nice, oh no. I think Greg's gonna fix that for me, although baby was about to jump in that box for me. If you could just put it on the edge of the chair here, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. Yeah. Oops. Anyway. Oh, me. So I've got this off-white color, okay, and it's really pretty. It's really soft. I think it's the same material as this, but again, just to give you a comparison, see, this is dyed. You can tell it's got like, it's all one color, and while this could be dyed white, I mean, it really could be. I really think that this is the natural fibers, if you can see the difference. At least to my eye, it looks like it has not been dyed. All right, and then we have one more, which is 6 of these. And it is... Okay, so that box fell again, and we're just gonna let baby have it. So if you hear any noises, any scratching, anything like that, just know that the box and baby want to be together right now, and so they will be. But anyway, I got 6 more of this color, which is a beautiful, it's like a brick red. It's definitely red. I wouldn't say that it's like anything other than red, but I can't say it's necessarily like Crayola red. It's more of a brick red. Like the one behind me, this is kind of maroon. This is more brick. And yeah, again, it's made out of the same material as this, and this is made out of. And those 3 colors actually look pretty good together. I like that. So that said, let's kind of go over this again. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different colors, and we got 6 each. So that is 48 skeins of yarn, which is a really great price. Now, Kraemer yarn mystery boxes, they're priced really well. What I paid for this was, I believe it was $53, and that included shipping. Okay, I believe that the 10 pound boxes are usually either $35 or $37, and then they just add shipping so that they can ship it to your address. Okay, and yeah, shipping's kind of high right now and all of that, but it's a really great deal. I mean, I think that if they didn't add that shipping, they'd probably be losing money on it. In fact, they might be losing money on it anyway. So it's really special to catch them when they have their mystery boxes up. When this particular mystery box went up and I noticed it, I put up a message on my community tab saying Kraemer has a mystery boxes in stock, go, you know, and I left a link, and only one other person, I mean, maybe other people saw it, but only one other person liked it. So I just took it down when they were sold out, because I didn't want to, you know, give anybody false hope or anything like that. But just know, whenever I see these, not only can you look at their Facebook page and kind of stalk their site, but whenever I personally see them, I will put a message on my community tab, and you can try to score these. And guess what? They also have 20-pound mystery boxes too. And when they stock their 10 pounds, they usually stock their 20 pounds as well. I didn't get a 20-pound because I actually have, can you believe it? I'm about to say it, too much yarn. And there is a thing. There really is a thing. I know you might not believe me, there is. And I just, I wanted to make sure that not only I let other people score their big mystery boxes and everything, but I also wanted to make sure I didn't overindulge, because there is so much stuff that I can't wait to make with this, and I have plenty that I can make it with. That said, I hope you enjoyed today's Mystery Box Monday. I know I did. I'm really excited about using this. I think the one that I like the most is probably this, although seeing this really inspires me to dye some yarn, and so I'm really excited for what this represents to me as possibly dabbing in dyeing my own yarn, which might be a little it could get scary, but hey, I want to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like mystery box unboxings and yarn content, and if you like tutorials and crochet, especially because I do a lot of crochet tutorials, you might want to give me a subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, because I have a lot of giveaways, and I'm going to be posting another one real soon, and I have a giveaway going on right now, so make sure that you find that video, watch the video, enter to win it, because it's a really great giveaway. In fact, it's got Noro in it, so yep, I would definitely recommend getting in on that one. I look forward to seeing you every day this next week with a video. It's going to be a great week for the channel, and I will catch you later in another video. Bye for now.